Hey, we're ThermoSphere. We're at the InstallerSHOW today at the NEC. We have got a couple of thermostats on display. We have got our dual control thermostat, which is fantastic for use in bathrooms. You can control underfloor heating and electric towel bar or demister pad. We've got our Bluetooth thermostat, which you can download an app and control that from your phone remotely. And then we've got our smart home thermostat, which will use via hub into your router. Download an app and you can control that when you're out and about for premium flexibility. Come and join us and take a look at our range. We've got some more exciting thermostats to join our product range, which we'll be very happy to speak to you about.